It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger, and it's very sticky. Ah!
Gloria! Oh no, this is not good!
Melman, he's drifting away!
Mort, help me please! The mud is hot!
Don't you worry, Sugar. Mama's not letting you become a birthday balloon.
The acid concentration of this mud is... Oh no! It's gonna ruin my sensitive skin! Cannonball coming through! And I'm flying! I'm a birdie!
Gloria, watch out for the bubble on the left. It's about to.
No description! One wrong move, and they'll all be mud stew! Grab onto my neck. But please, try not to scratch the skin. Hold steady, Melman.
Do it again.
Do it again.
I've got you, little guy.
No bacteria! Bacteria everywhere!
See? A little mud never killed anyone. I love these feet.
Welcome to the Who is Most Fabulous and Why Is It Me competition.
Analyze closely, Kowalski. I want discipline, not amateur wiggling.
Yes, Skipper!
Nom 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 nom.
Look at these legs. They were designed to rule the dance floor. I told you to stretch first, Your Majesty.
Move over. Let a New York lady show you what real rhythm looks like.
I can't dance, but I'm an excellent lighting technician. Don't break my bulbs!
Roar! Woo-hoo-hoo! That's how it's done!
Good technique. You've got the makings of an agent, main man. You wish. What is that? Did you just pull a tire out of your stomach? Get it out of here!
My talents is I love everyone.
Fine, Lion. You can be my vice king, but I'm still the pretty one.
Cheers to our new friends. Woohoo!
Yeah! Let's party!
Listen up, men. Target, New York. Deadline before high tide. Rico, let me see the schematics.
Sir! According to my calculations, if we combine bulleye and the one lion and the pushing force of one hippo, we can...
This is nothing like assembling flat-pack furniture in Manhattan. Why didn't we just call a cab?
Stop your whining, Alex. Do you want to go home, or do you want to be a grilled kitty snack for the Fosa?
I'm concerned this resin isn't FDA approved. It could cause a major dermatological reaction for the passengers.
Faster, my minions! I require a business class suite with an ocean view and a fan powered by at least 3 monkeys. Private, keep an eye on Sad Eyes over there. I'd prefer 0 head-related casualties before we even launch. Aesthetically, she's a disaster. Aerodynamically, she's also a disaster, sir.
Shiny boat gets shiny adventures. Pretty coconut captain will guide us.
According to the Coconut Compass, New York should be...
somewhere that way. I think.
Excellent work, Rico. Deploy the coconut turbo boosters on my mark. It's sinking! We're gonna die here with stomachs full of tropical fruit! Oh my goodness!
Nobody is sinking today. As long as I'm on this boat, gravity is strictly optional.
Your Majesty, I think it's a now or never situation. The sky is looking very angry. All hands to battle stations. Anchors away. We're going home. We're going home. Keep pushing. Almost there. We can't hold it. Push. We did it. Yes. Whoa. I'm the king of the world.
I love vacations. Yay!
Kowalski, give me some light. I don't want to accidentally punch Alex in the butt. Sir, this is a superior Fosa. The probability of us being eaten just rose by 40% because we are currently Hey! Big guy, look, I'm the king of New York. Can we discuss this over a nice juicy steak? Don't touch me! I haven't had my rabies shots for the year yet. Strike it, my giant slaves! Make this performance truly magnificent! Ugh, not this again. Operation Slip and Slide. Deploy!
Big kitty friend,
Hug me!
Wait, did little Mort just take down that monster with a hug?
Did he just?
I think he did.
I don't understand. It wasn't a hug, Alex. It was ultimate psychological warfare. Well done, Private Mort. Sir, we have crossed through the island. Welcome to actual paradise. That is my royal garden, where I save space for my all-night-long dancing parties. All right, maybe nature isn't so bad if the snacks are free.
Woohoo! Yeah!
I like to move it.
Feel the rhythm. Move those feet. This is how we celebrate survival. See? Nature provides, and I promise it's organic, locally sourced, and hypoallergenic.
Go on.
Maintain formation, men. We are not becoming appetizers for the plankton. I hate nature. Nature is just way too much water.
Come on, Alex. At least out here, no one is charging admission to watch us perform.
good point, Gloria. We finally have a captive audience.
Welcome, giant freaks from across the sea, to my kingdom. Have you brought the king any snacks or shiny tributes?
Listen, Ringtail, we're on a covert alpha-level mission. Have you seen anything resembling a gas station or a 24-hour convenience store in this sector?
Your Majesty, I don't think they have snacks, but they do have a lion that looks quite hungry.
Germs! It's hitchhiking on my neck! Call a paramedic! Emergency! Ah!
The feet are so big. Can I please hug them just a little bit?
What don't getting down get by? You're moving your down thinking.
Sir, acoustic analysis suggests that was not a welcome to the neighborhood greeting. Oh, that is just the man-eating Fosa monster! He doesn't like my music! He has such terrible taste! Engage formation! Madagascar! Oh! Sir, the probability of us falling into it is 99.1%. I like those odds. Rico, get to work!
seasick, and I'm pretty sure I just saw a giant bacterium floating out there. Stay calm, Melman. This is just a high-intensity, extreme thrill spa experience.
What kind of spa doesn't have cucumber slices for my eyes?
Step aside, let a lady handle this.
Please! This king requires a dance floor, not a giant seesaw. I told you we should have worn our seatbelts, Your Majesty. Alex, hold that main steady. We're preparing for a tactical landing. Calculated chaos. A specialty of the Penguin Commando Unit.
Land ho! Or it's a very large, very scary iceberg.
Get ready for a New York-style landing. Let's go! Look at me. I am a fireball of pure charisma.
Skipper? I forgot to put on my swimming trunks.
In the heart of the Central Park Zoo, a crime is about to be committed.
Status report with authority. As the camera pushes in, the music intensifies. Character B gives a thoughtful male hum of... The herring delivery truck is at 12 o'clock, Skipper. 90% chance of pure deliciousness.
Fish! 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 Commencing operation! Sushi Sunday! They move like shadows. If shadows were flightless birds.
Easy, boys. One wrong move, and we're fish sticks.
Unorthodox, but effective. Hey! Whoa.
Hide.
The tension! Double!
The tension is delicious.
Rico, give him the heavy lifting special.
Wow! That's a big one!
Kowalski, we have liftoff! Skipper, excellent. Hold tight, men. Rico, yeah! Magnet power.
Smile and wave, boys! Just smile and wave! Wave! Kaboom!
I love it when a plan tastes like salmon. Something fishy is going on around here, and I don't mean metaphorically.
The penguins are up to their fishy business again. This I cannot allow in my kingdom.
Those penguins are having way too much fun over there.
Should I be concerned or jealous?
Oh dear, oh dear. Their antics are gonna give me anxiety. Should I report this? But to whom?
My power is hanging by a thread. Literally.
To save the crown, they must face the web of wobble. We shall dance through it.
Not with all those bells.
We must try. Stand back. It's showtime.
I'm allergic to traps and vines and gravity.
Left, right, shimmy, and J-U-M-P.
Faster, giant long neck! My kingdom is waiting!
Julien, stop shaking my ears. Don't look down, don't look down. Oh, I look down.
One wrong step, and the jungle strikes back. Melman, give me a boost.
Did you say boost?
I think I just pulled a muscle I don't even have.
I believe I can fly! Yeah! No!
Gotcha! Your Highness! I meant to do that. It was a stunt.
Seriously? You landed on my face.
Still got the moves. Oh, thank goodness.
Mission parameters clear. Crown retrieval in progress. Stand by for extraction if they fail.
Boys will be boys. At least they're getting their exercise.
Go, King Julien! Go!